Hey Stellar XLM holder, in this video, be honestly, I will tell you my friends the reality, the real reading of Stellar XLM, the real changing, the real price prediction, the real technical analysis, my friend. We do everything in real, my friend, about Dogecoin, Stellar XLM, because Stellar XLM is completely in the lost, and absolutely the future is also going to be very bad now. So my friend, if you are a holder of Stellar XLM, I am also holder of Stellar XLM, and be honestly, I make this video because I am also going to lose. So therefore I will recommend all of you, my brothers, to do this what I tell you in this video, and absolutely research. Personally, I just advise you, my brothers, try to understand as a brother. So this time you can say, my brother, Stellar XLM last 1 hour, last 24 hour, last 7 days change occur is on the screen, and there are three changes you can see it completely fails down. It's mean from last 7 days, not just unique for last 7 days. This coin is fails down from last 1 month, my brother, not just 7 days. But holders, this coin is very one of the stable coin in the crypto market. So this therefore holders invest for a long time. He cannot starting selling. So definitely if he cannot starting selling, because this coin is not very badly fails down, very fastly fails down. So therefore he cannot starting selling. You can see, my friend, the chart reader completely fails down. There is no jump, just in only dumps by dumps, my brother. This is be honestly the reality, my brother. Try to understand. I will cannot give you a fake news. I cannot give you a fake news to this coin is very good, go now, invest now. Absolutely, if I promote this video, this coin, my brother, absolutely you are starting investing and this coin is starting moving upward. But definitely I am a holder of this time of Stellar XLM. So if you want to invest, then please research personally about that, and then invest now. But definitely I think I recommend you this time is not good for investment, because I know, my friends, to upcoming time this coin is more and more fails down. So I cannot recommend you to go now and buy it. So be honestly try to understand, my friend. This tech channel just give you a good news and real advice, my brother. Otherwise, please, no YouTuber can give you this type of real news. That's just only for viewers, my friend. Tell you to I cannot give you, my friends, a lot of good YouTubers also available on the YouTube, but my friends, bad is also available. So be safe from the fake news, my brothers. Try to understand. Thanks for watching. Holder Stellar XLM, please, or my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it. And if you are for invest for a short time, then definitely sell it, because this coin is very badly fares down. So I think selling is good option. And if you invest for a long time, then definitely don't sell it. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.